Hey, welcome back to the channel. I hope y'all are doing well. And today I'm gonna be showing you how to fix your parking brake if it's not working properly. So the first thing you want to do, you want to come to your parking brake and you want to make sure that it is off. So right now it's on, you want to make sure it's off. And before we go any further in the video, I just want to actually show you what your parking brake actually looks like. So right now it's off, and when you turn it on, you can see it extends. Then you turn it back off, it goes back in. So you want to come to the back of the quad, and pretty much what you're gonna be looking at is this screw. And in my case, my parking brake be on and my folder still be moving, so I'm gonna get this screw and go in that way. But if you have the opposite in some cases, where your parking brake be off and your four-wheeler still don't want to move, what you want to do is take it out that way, but not all the way out. I'm gonna show you here. So I'm gonna show you what the tools you need. We're gonna come over to the tool set, which I definitely recommend. I actually made a little quick video about this, so if you're interested, check it out. But we're gonna be using a 12mm wrench, and you're gonna use a pair of pliers. I'm using vice grips, but pliers should get the job done. So what you're gonna do, it come to this right here, and you're gonna loosen this up. So you're gonna get this right here, put it on like that, and you're gonna get the vice grips on right here. What you're gonna do, you're gonna hold this with one hand, and you're gonna get the other hand and turn to the left. So we got this right here loosened. So if you look closely, you can see a little space between there. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna screw this in until you touch something. So right about there. So after that right there, all you have to do is all you gotta do is just tighten this right here up. You want to tighten just a little bit. I'm pretty sure you don't have to have that much torque on it, but yeah, just a little bit. So yeah, we back at the parking brake, and what you should notice when you apply it, it should have a whole lot more tension, which mine does, so that's good. And when you try to push it back, you see that it won't move. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Always good to hear what y'all gotta say. And yeah, y'all take it easy.